Today I'm going to show you how to build a well-diverse and safe, strong portfolio and give you guys a few coin recommendations that you guys can put into your portfolio if you guys decided to build one here today. If that sounds good, smash that like button and get right into this. Alright guys, welcome back. It's great to have you guys here with me again today. Today I want to talk to you guys about how to allocate a portfolio based on about how much you should have of each coin. Now today I've got 20 coins in this portfolio, which I don't recommend that people do that many coins. It's a lot of different projects to keep track of because you want to make sure that the projects that you're invested in, you know what's happening with the projects, you know if they're going to fail, if they're going to succeed. You want to know these things, so you have to pick a certain amount that you're willing to pay attention to. I would never recommend more than about 25 coins in your portfolio, but you should have more than 5, I would say, because you don't want all your risk in one place, and it's not safe to put 25% of your money or 50% of your money into one project. So as you can see here, my biggest holding is only 8% right here, 8.48%. I've got 20 coins in here. This is my biggest holding, and the only reason that it's my biggest holding is if you look down here, we're up 335% on this bad boy. So that is why it is my biggest holding. It's my biggest holding because we're up a lot of money. This is only my biggest holding. I'm only up $21 on this thing. This thing just started taking off, and that'll bring me into coin recommendation number 1. If you guys are looking for something that you could buy today, and look at this thing's really trying to take off over here, getting ready to pump. It is getting ready to actually pump out right here. The reason I'm recommending this one is because it hasn't pumped yet. It hasn't, look at, this is the bottom. Down in October, we were at 17 cents. It's at 43 cents. We're up what is that, 2.5x? Most of these coins have done 5, 10, 20, 50x's already, and you guys are getting in late, and you guys can literally get dumped on at any point. So if you look at this, it's literally at the bottom of the chart still. We haven't moved a needle. Haven't moved a needle. We're still at the very bottom of this chart right here, and this thing used to be at $55 right here. So this thing is about 120x from its all-time high, guys. That is huge. If you guys are able to get into something like this early, 120x on this would equal, what would that be? To be a crazy, ridiculous amount of money. That'd be 100 grand. I'd have 100 grand. Another one that I could say that you guys could add to your portfolio, and none of this is financial advice. I'm up 88% on this one, so I'm not telling you buy something that's already pumped. I'm not shilling you projects that that have already pumped that I'm going to dump bags on you. This is at a 2.8 million market cap on the Binance Smart Chain. The previous projects on Binance Smart Chain as well. You can get both of these with a MetaMask wallet through PancakeSwap with a BNB token. Swap it with BNB token, or you could use any other token like a USDT, as long as it's in your wallet and it actually is compatible with that wallet. Onto this one right here. We are up, we're up like a 3x. This one's about a 3x, 3.5x from the bottom. But on the top of the year, this thing is almost like a 4x from the top of the year. And if you want to look at this one used to be over 40 cents. So I mean, that's like a 4x to get to a penny times 40. 4x times 40 is 160x. You're looking at 160x, and this is a metaverse game. It's a really cool looking game. People really like this. If you look through here, bullish as I can be about this project. A lot of people said some really cool things. It's buried. Their comments are buried now, but if you scroll through all the comments, you can see people who played the game that actually genuinely like this game. I'd pull up the websites in this one, but this is going to be a quicker video, and I really just want to get the basis of a couple of projects that you can put in your portfolio if you did your research and decided that these projects are projects that you guys would really want to hold. Now this one has pumped quite a bit. I've got Game Zone. I'm going to pull up Game Zone for you guys real quick here, because I think Game Zone, literally, if you look here, this is a 2x to the 52-week high, which a lot of tokens have reached their 52-week highs already. So the fact that this one hasn't, you're looking at a 2x if you want to get back to the 52-week high. But this thing is it was at $1.10, so we're looking at a 30x, right? That's at least, that's about a 30x if you guys are going to go back to the all-time high. This coin was $1. It's a dollar coin, and it held that for some time. It held that until the bear market hit. Once that 2021 bear market hit, it dumped off and just got murdered. So it could do really well. It's a launch pad. People have to hold that token and stake that token, so a lot less sell pressure on that one. Let's go to another one that I think probably could be a good buy point. Illuvium is a good buy point right now. I know it's up a 3x right now. Illuvium is from the bottom. Let's look at it here. We're up a 3. No, not even a 3x. Not even a 3x. 2.5x now. Not even a 2.5, less than a 2.5x we are, because this thing was at $120. It was just hit $20 on the month right here. We can see it was actually at $1.20, and now we're at 95. So you're down $25 from where it was just at. And this thing, like, look at it's rocketed out of the year. It's consolidating here. Not saying it's not going to dump more. None of this is financial advice. It's all very, very risky. But the top over here, you're looking at 1,800. You're looking at like a 20x. Solid 20x on this thing, and this is like the OG game, bro. Illuvium is like the big dog game out of all of the games in the gaming ecosystem. Whether they do well, it's up to them if they decide to do well. Last but not least, let's look at MetaStrike. MetaStrike right here at a 200,000 market cap is really like it's trying to break this channel that it's been in on the monthly here. It made its way up to this channel right here, and it just got stuck here. It's been stuck up here waiting for like its next run to go like really rip. This one right here was at 70 cents, and we're at a penny. So we're 70x from the all-time highs. These are just some projects that you guys can literally get some insane gains on. Like I said, all this stuff is risky, of course. I've got 20 coins in my portfolio. These are 5 of the coins that I've got in my portfolio, and you can see the crazy multiplier gains. 20x, 50x, 75x, 150x gains between all these different projects that we have an opportunity to get in. Check out their website because they've got YouTube videos that show like the actual game. You can check out the game. They got an NFT marketplace on there. This is on the Binance Smart Chain as well. I think all the coins I showed you are except for Illuvium. Yeah, all of them except for Illuvium, and Illuvium you can just get on Coinbase if you guys really wanted Illuvium. Last but not least, I'll throw in the one that I just bought today. Lit Labs has pulled back quite substantially. Not substantially, sort of. It's pulled back like, what is that, like 30%, and now it's consolidating in the middle here after this giant rip. Now this is its all-time highs up here, but this is like a Gala Games in the making, Lit Lab Games. If they do well right here, and they're backed by Square Enix, that's awesome. If they do really well here, like Gala went to insane market caps, guys. So let me just pull up Gala. We're at 12 million on this bad boy right now. Let's see where Gala is right now with the market cap. Gala's at an 825 million market cap. So that's to say that this thing did, what is that, like a 70x? A 70x to get to where Gala is right now, and Gala's at the bottom of its chart. So the potential is just the fucking sky's the limit for this stuff, guys. And these are some good projects that you guys can perhaps get yourself into. And Gala's a good project too. But if you had to pick between Lit Labs and Gala based on the potential is definitely in Lit Labs compared to Gala, right? So I think that's all the time that we have for today. Smash that like button if you got some value. I hope you guys decide to join me on this crypto journey because we're going to make a lot of money this year. Subscribe to the channel and be part of the journey. Love you guys lots. Take care.